Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here with the update to the Cirkul water bottle subscription, okay, by Cirkul, the update edition. So I had this subscription now for 2 weeks. This is going to be my second part to this video, so if you haven't seen my first part, make sure you check it out. That goes over the company, over the subscription prices, all the details that you want to know about this subscription. If you have not heard about it, go check that video out first, and then come back to this video so you can see my actual thoughts after I have had 2 weeks with this subscription. Do I want to continue using it? Do I think it's worth it? Okay, so a little update. Some of the things that I've noticed, some of my kinks about this water bottle. First of all, if you don't take all the water out of this cap, like when you open it, it's just gonna squirt at you like crazy. I've gotten into the habit now to actually like make sure I drink all the water out, because you do that, you just drink some, and there's actually water staying inside of the cap. So you have to leave the bottle upright and actually suck the water out of the top so that when you open it up again later, it doesn't squirt back at you. Another thing, it's pretty noisy, so let's get closer. You hear that? It's pretty noisy. I got used to it, but when you're over there and it's like a quiet room, I don't think anybody wants to hear you drinking your water. Honestly, I don't have any other real complaints. Just the top, which is easy. You just kind of just train yourself to like drink the water out the top so that it doesn't splash back at you. Otherwise, if you don't, it can splash back at you. But the good thing is that there's no artificial colors. So if it does splash back at you, it's like water splashing back at you. So it can dry. It's not going to stain. You don't have to worry about it. But I don't know about you, but I like to be dry. Am I going to continue the subscription? Yes and no. So I think right now they say, what is it? Six refills per sip. So honestly, I am still on the first sip. So I tried the fruit punch, I think on camera, my last video, and then this video I'm actually having the mixed berry, and I have not changed this out. I've used this the whole week and I still taste flavor out of this sip. So it's not dried out yet. So I don't think I drink enough water to actually even use all 8 sips. So if they have a skip a month, I will probably do that and just do like 1 month, skip a month, another month. Let's go ahead and open up the bag. As you can tell, it's a bag this time rather than a box. So yeah, that's a big difference. And let's see how the inside looks and all that good stuff. So let's start off with the extras that I got. So I actually got my Cirkul in pink now. So I got the pink top, and then I got a pink camo cooler. Like when you first subscribe, they give you like a coupon for it, and I'm just a sucker for them coupons. I was like, oh, you know what? I do kind of want a cooler cover thing. I don't even know what it's called. I don't even know what it's called, and I got it. I think I have a problem. Okay, like that. See? And now it's pink. Yes. Now the rest of it looks like that. Okay, so the first two, I got both of the same flavors I got from the trial. This is the fruit punch from Life Sip. The Life Sip fruit punch This one is nutritious vitamins. This one is the Fit Sip replenishing electrolytes. This is the mixed berry. And then for the new flavors, we have the Life Sip nutritious vitamins and strawberry kiwi. Oh, we about to go ham on this one. Hopefully it tastes real good, because I'm gonna be upset because the strawberry kiwi just sound so good. Ooh, and then we got the Life Sip nutritious vitamins and peach mango. Ooh, I'm excited about these flavors. Got this one. I'm telling you guys, these flavors are good. And then I got the Go Sip healthy energy in green apple. Another green one. We got Go Sip healthy energy in citrus twist. Then we have the Fit Sip replenishing electrolytes and orange tangerine. Ooh, can't wait to try that strawberry kiwi one. And then this is the questionable one. I got the caramel iced coffee and Brew Sip bold blends. Coffee flavor, guys. Like, what? And that is it from this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video by me actually trying out one of these. I want to try the strawberry kiwi. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Tastes like Hawaiian punch or something. Oh my god. That is it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and close it out before this starts over. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.